Okay, here's the actual product of power depot. So you'll be getting around 6 parts. Okay, so here's the box, storage box for the cable. Here's the outlet for all the cable, and you can put your cable inside here. This is the top cover. Okay, so this is the front, indicate over here, front. So this arrow means slide in. So here I introduce you guys the phone stand first. So this is phone stand. Okay, and over here you can put this stacking plank. Later I explain to you how to use the stacking plank. So over here, behind here is to put a fan. You can just slot in over here, and cable routing is all over here. And then watch charger is over the front. Later the cable will go through here also. And there's open air outlet. Later the fan will blow the charging pad. Okay, the charging pad usually come with aluminium. So you can dissipate the heat, and then you also can cool down the phone. The air will go through the front. Okay. So for the charging pad, because there's few size, so we didn't do friction fit. We do using this double tip. Because sometimes you buy the third party. This is a third party G2 version, and the Apple version slightly different in size, so I cannot do friction fit because I'm doing universal phone stand. And then over here the fan is using this one. It can do friction fit, but I have to put double tape to reduce the vibration. Because this fan, yes, this is a fan. There's a vibration when you rotate it. So there's tape to hold it from vibration. Okay, so here's the cable routing as mentioned. So over here I show you guys the arrow. So you see these two arrows. These two arrows will be against each other. So you can just slide in like this. Remember, against each other, slide in. And then here's the cable routing, smooth surface. Over here to the back to the cover. Okay, so remember, here's the front, just put it like this. Okay, this is how to install this phone stand without the accessories yet. Accessories over here. Later I show you guys how to install accessories. Okay, next we are getting 3 pieces of stacking plank. Okay, especially for a phone like iPhone. Some of the iPhone is 6.1 inches, the small one. You need this stacking plank. Okay, let me show you why. Okay, so iPhone, like this one is 15 Pro, 6.1 inches. Okay, you see there's a gap. Okay, when you put this charger fit to a space, there's a gap at the bottom. Okay, you are hanging around, so you use this stacking plank, okay, to hold it. And if for bigger phone like 16 Pro Max, 17 Pro Max, or S26 Ultra, or Nubia, the 11 Pro, the 6.9 inches, yeah, you need the stacking plank. It can reach until the bottom. Okay, then let me show you guys this one. When you use the stacking plank, you stack up 3. You also can put it like this, horizontal. Okay. Okay, let me show you guys an example. This is a 6.7 inches, the larger phone, a Huawei phone. Okay, so at this size, see, you can just put it like this. Yes, it doesn't block the camera also. Okay, so for the larger phone, 6.5 inches, 6.7 inches, you don't need the stacking plank. Okay, unless it's around 6.3, then you just put one stacking plank. Okay, over here I got label. So actually this is friction fit, and there's a double tape for circulate also. So from level 1 is this one at the bottom. Then you just stack up level 2, level 3. Okay, let me show you. Now it's the larger phone. I show you using my small iPhone, 6.1 inches. So over here it's friction fit. Okay, let me show you guys how it's friction fit. See, I can just pull this thing, and the whole thing won't drop. Okay, I'm holding the stacking plank only. So it's friction fit. And then let me show you. So I put over here. See, it doesn't block my camera. The edges doesn't block, and you see it fit nicely. Okay. So that's why you use a stacking plank. And if you invert it from vertical surface, yes. Okay, that's the use of stacking plank. Okay, after that, let me show you guys some other features. So here I will provide you 2 pair of Apple Watch and Samsung Watch. So 2 pair. So you can use okay, today a combination of, if you have Apple Watch and Samsung Watch. This one, Samsung Watch, also can use for Google Pixel. Later I show you guys the same size. Okay. So for Apple Watch, you can just plug in over here. It's a slide in mechanism. Okay, you just slide in. Okay, that's all. Okay, today you have 2 Apple Watch, then you just take another pair of the Apple Watch one. Just slide in. So you get 2 Apple Watch. Same goes to if you have 2 Samsung. You can take Samsung 1, Samsung 2, you just slide in. Just slide in and fit. Okay. And let me tell you guys why I do this slanting position. So over here the phone is 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, 15 degrees Celsius. This is 45. So why 45? Let me show you guys. So let me get an Apple charger for you guys. Show you guys the reason. So I put in my Apple charger, and I slide in. I just direct slide over here. Okay, I slide in. Then you see I put my watch. Here's my watch. I put it over here. See, it won't drop. Okay. If today is 15, I'll show you guys it's 15. This is 15. So you see, it will come off. Actually, it's come off already one. Okay. So 45, just a nice position. 45. It won't drop at all. And you also can, no need to remove your watch band. See, you can put it over here. It can support the whole thing. If today you use 15 degrees Celsius, 15 degree, the thing will drop. Okay. So let me show you guys how to install all the accessories. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use this phone stand to install with the accessories. So normally in the market, you are buy the wireless charger, you buy the watch, you get a watch charger or you buy a watch charger. Normally in box you are given you a watch charger, and here's the Samsung one. Okay, this Samsung one is universal, same size with the Google Pixel. It's 2 in 1 lah. So totally you'll get 3 items. Okay, today you'll get a fan also included. This fan is for the cooling the whole thing. So first of all, I'll show you guys how to do the installation of this. So when you get the product, it will in few parts like this. Stacking plank is not very important. You can just place somewhere when you want to use it or keep it in a box. Okay, and then over here I will show you guys how to use this Apple Watch first. Okay, Apple Watch and Samsung Watch, same thing. You can just slide in like this. Okay, and then if you don't want to use it, you can keep it behind here. Yes, I have put a hanging place to keep it behind here. So when you just use Samsung, you can keep the thing behind, hang it over here. Okay, how to take it out? You put your hand inside, just remove it. So it comes with a compact design to keep all the accessories together inside. Just a stacking fan, have to put in a box because this one is full size with the stand. Put in a box. Okay, first how to install. First, the most important is this charging pad. So when you install charging pad, just get the cable ready. Remember, the cable have to go through 3 holes. First, it's over here. This is the first thing. Go through this hole first, at the bottom. This is the first hole. Pull the whole thing out. Okay. And this one is for your cable management later on. Okay, now you pull the whole thing out. Okay. Second, go through this, your cover. Okay, go through your cover first. After you're going through your cover, then it's done already. This is the third hole. It's not very important, the third hole, because you later have to do the management inside here first. So just go through these 3 places. 1, 2, 3 is the most important. Okay, go through first cable. After that, you need this fan. Fan, there's an arrow for you. This is the surface, and this is facing up. Okay. Remember, fan, the airflow is going up. Okay. This cable is put inside here. This inside here. Then you just put a fan in. So before you install your fan, you have to remove this, the tape. Okay, you have to remove the tape. Okay, before you install the fan, you have one thing to do also. Don't take it first, Don't take it first. You just take the cable. Same thing. You're going through this hole. Okay. Remember again, before taping the fan, you make sure you go through the hole first. Okay, make sure you go through the hole first. Don't take it first, Don't take it first. Okay, just pull the cable out. Done. Remember, second hole. Yes, this hole is big enough. You can put all the cable in. Even the cable is there, you still can go through it. Okay, done. Don't take it, remember, don't take the fan. Okay, so remember, don't paste your fan, Don't paste your fan. Don't stick it, Okay. After the fan go through, don't stick it. Take your 2 charger, okay, 2 charger watch. Okay, you can decide where to put it. I'm going to put my Apple Watch at the right hand side over here. This is facing back, facing front right. Okay. So make sure you go through the cable here first. Hanging at the hanger. Make sure you put the cable for the Apple Watch charger and Samsung Watch. Go through the hanger first. This is the hanger. Okay, go through the hanger first. Done. Take your Samsung Watch also. Go through the hanger. Remember to go through the hanger. This hanger. Use the hanger to hang the. Use the hanger. Okay. So now you have 2 watch charger over the hanger. Alright. Then now you can put this in. I have 2 watch charger over hanger. Okay. After going through the hanger, you have to go through the bottom part. Okay, see, now I have 2 cable inside already. I still can go through the Type-C cable. So the Type-C cable still can pass through smoothly. Smooth like butter. Still can go through. Okay, 3 cable already. 1 more Type-C cable going through the bottom part. The bottom port. Okay, yes, still can go through. Yes, the hole is big enough to go through all the cable. Can up to 6, I think. Now there's 4 cable already. Okay. So after you're done, you can do a cable management already. So like I mentioned just now, I have the Apple Watch on my right, Samsung on my left. So how to install this watch charger? Apple Watch, this is friction fit. For watch charger, it's friction fit, no need double tape. So adjust a bit, align it, clip it in. Okay, route your cable inside this cable management, clip. Yes, done. Okay, just go over here. And one more for Samsung watch. And I'm going to show you guys how to use this hanger in detail after installation. Okay, so Samsung watch also, friction fit, clip it in. Okay, clip it in. Route the cable in, this cable management. Okay, same, slide it in. Done. So how to use this cable management? Let me show you guys in detail. So when you are not using, like I'm going using my Apple Watch only, so I'm not using Samsung. I just remove it. Put this cable back to hanger place. Clip it in. Yes, see, you can just store it over here. And you only have Apple Watch currently at the front. Same goes to Apple Watch you want to use. You can just keep it back like this. Done. So this one about the front, you won't see any cable at all. It's really okay. Done. Okay, so let me show you guys how to do the installation for the wireless pad. Okay, just learn how to remove, just like this. Remove out. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do the installation for your charging pad. Wireless pad, WP stand for wireless pad, and F stand for the fan. Okay, so over here there's a few cable. There's cable of the watch. So I would suggest you take a cutter to peel off the tape. Unless you got enough nails. Then you don't need this. So the tape will be provided. You must be stick over here on the phone stand already. So you just remove it. Remove the tape. Okay. Clean the surface. Okay. Clean the surface. Then manage the cable again. Pull the cable in. Okay. Tape done. Then you align it. Place it in. You can slightly adjust it. Because this is a circle. So you can slowly slightly adjust it to align it with the design. I'm aligning it to the center. So you can slightly align it. Okay, then you're done sticking it. Just stick it over here. So you see it won't fall out. Just stick it. There's several designs in terms of Apple and the third party one, so I cannot do friction fit. That's the reason why I have to use the tape. Okay. Done. Make sure you hold it. Okay, then you can just stick it over here. Snap on fit. Just I mentioned in your features, snap on. Okay. Done. Then now we manage the cable. So total here we have 4 cable currently. So inside here we just do a cable management as usual. We actually can pull out all the cable. Okay, pull out all the cable. Just now this one, watch charger, the wireless pad come with this cable management thing. So you can actually just pull all the things inside here. So make sure you can just tie it up. Tidy it. Okay, I got tips in placement. Tips for placement is making sure your wireless charger cable is at the bottom. Come with the fan. Okay, wireless charger at the bottom come with fan. And then on top of it is the Apple Watch charger. So bottom. Again, bottom. The most bottom is the wireless pad. Come with the fan. And then Apple Watch charger and Samsung Watch charger on top. Okay, then just put it in. Okay. Here's the watch charger going in first. The wireless pad charger will be going in first. followed by the fan and the watch. Okay, done. Okay, now I'm going to stick the fan. So over here done tape management. Okay, now I'm going to stick the fan. Same, use the cutter, remove the tape. This one I would recommend using cutter remover because it's quite deep inside. Remove. Okay, done, remove the tape. So remember, up, the airflow is coming over here, is out, then this is the surface. So, same goes to this. Adjust a bit the cable. Then it slide in, yeah, this is slide in. Just slowly slide it in, adjust the cable to the middle. You will be going underneath the watch. Just make sure you arrange it underneath the watch. You can slightly pull over here. Okay, done. Then I'll just put it in over here. Underneath the watch, slide it through, arrange it. Okay, just nicely, and then slide it in. Just imperfect. Slide in, okay. And then you stick it to the double tick. Stick it, just give it a firm press. Okay, done. Okay. So all the cable is not done already. So here's all the cable. What to do now is take all the cable, go through the port at the back. This one will go to the back. You are not using this, so this one will be at the outlet at the back. All the cable just go through the outlet at the back. Pull everything out. Pull all the cable out. Okay, all the cable is out. Okay, so actually now you got a bunch of cable. Okay, this all bunch of cable you can just plug into a plug over there. Like I'm going to use 3 of these. If you have a plug of 4 port, it's better because I'm going to be using 3 only. I'm having a watch, phone, and the fan is needed for USB power. So USB power. Okay, phone is over the first part. Then watch. So fan, watch, phone. Okay, so I've done mine, and if you want a Samsung watch, you get another additional charger. So I've done this, then I will be managing the cable. Okay, so after you plug in, you can just pull all the cable back until the length you prefer. Okay, I'm going to pull most of the cable back. Okay, so I'm going to link it over here like this, back to the table. This one will be hidden at the back of the table. Okay, this one is a Samsung. Place aside. Okay, here's the extra cable, right? So now you can just put all the cable inside here. You can just adjust it to nicely fit inside here. And then now I'll show you. If you today have additional cable needed, okay, like I have this one charger I use to charge my phone for my iPad to see a display. Okay, then I'll be plugging in over here on the table. So before you plug in, use the outlet over here. Then this bunch of cable you can just place inside here. This bunch of cable you can just place inside here. This one you can go through the front outlet, so you still can charge it on your phone. Okay, you still can charge it over here. Then this one, so you adjust the length. You can put it in and you plug it over there. Everything is done right. So now let me show you guys. See, I can still charge. If this is iPad, I still can charge my iPad without the cable on the table. Okay, done. Then just close it back. Ta-da! So I have one cable extra on the table for wired charging. Okay, for wired charging. And on here, I have my watch to charge over here. If I use wired charger, I can just place over here. So yes, see? And yes, this one is small phone, so I use the stacking plan. Done. Now the table won't be messy. Even if I charge over there, just a stand over here. So the table is completely clean right now with one extra charger, wired charger for your iPad. That's the benefit of this phone stand.